Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using low-quality ink cartridges that leave streaks and smudges on your prints? Look no further than the HP 936 Black, a top-rated and best-selling inkjet ink cartridge that's engineered to provide consistent quality, reliability, and value. This cartridge works seamlessly with a range of HP printers, including the OfficeJet 9122E and OfficeJet Pro 9110B, to produce crisp and vibrant prints with a smooth texture that's a pleasure to touch. When you print with the HP 936 Black, you'll notice the sound of the printer gliding effortlessly across the page, producing rich and deep blacks that bring your documents to life. With an approximate yield of 1,450 pages, you can trust that this cartridge will keep up with your printing needs without breaking the bank. Plus, with HP's commitment to sustainability, you can feel good about choosing a product that's helping to keep plastic out of our oceans. Well reviewed by countless customers, the HP 936 Black is perfect for everyday home, office, and small business printing needs, offering reliable printing that you can count on. Whether you're printing important documents or colorful photos, this cartridge delivers results that are truly impressive, with vibrant colors and precise lines that make your prints stand out. So why settle for a low-quality ink cartridge when you can have the best? Choose the HP 936 Black for all your printing needs and experience the difference for yourself. With its impressive performance, eco-friendly design, and affordable price, it's no wonder this cartridge is a favorite among print enthusiasts, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality printing solution. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.